Hi again. Today I will share with you five or six undervalued stock that I have found using my research, and I've already owned one in my portfolio or added one to my portfolio last week, and the others are also considered good fundamentally, I mean. Now we will look how in technical analysis would be very good entries or better to find another stock. First one is Merchants Bancorp, symbol MBIN, and this is the monthly chart. As you can see here, we are in clear uptrend, and one of the setups that I always prefer is to see an impulse and slow retracement back to the Fibonacci good levels that I've marked here, and then you see like um, move upward to confirm this one. Of course, it's better to buy it here. I always prefer that, even if I don't see any confirmation. But now you have seen this monthly candle that gives you the confirmation that yes, you're right, it will go up from here. So it doesn't matter if you have entered on 30 or 40, in my opinion, or now it's 43. If if price went to these levels, you may say that that's an exaggeration, if or I'm being very optimistic, but we have seen this a lot. I have always shared it before. Nvidia, if you look at Nvidia or even silver, you will see that I'm not exaggerating. Same setup, same retracement, and now it went to here, take profit level, and then it may continue and it may reverse. We don't care. So back to our topic. So here, if we expect the same move, it will be here, but I don't expect that. I always try to put realistic targets. Realistic targets starts actually from here. I have marked all these take profit levels. This is the modest one, or you can always exit here. It is very modest, which I have done actually in silver, and I regret it. I exited there, or maybe here in silver, and it went to like to the extension of 4. So here it's better to always take. I also prefer this one here, 1.61, 2.61, and you can see leave like a runner to maybe if it goes higher. I still haven't added this to my portfolio, to be honest. Second one is BWA. It's not as good as the previous one, but actually it looks like it has also some potential in it. As you can see, have seen it, I have analyzed this stock before. It has the same setup, and the impulse, the correction, and now here should be an accumulation. And from here, and normally, if you have an accumulation that high, I mean high, because sometimes you can see the accumulation here, like for example in quant. Let me show you. Do you see it? Do you see the lower accumulation at lower levels it's normally it's good, not that good like the accumulation in higher levels, because this indicates weakness. Even if it goes up from here, I also have quant in my portfolio. Even if it goes up from here, you will expect it like maybe to reach not very high levels of Fibonacci, maybe like here, if we are optimistic. So back to this one. So the fact that here the accumulation is way higher tells us also that may go up to higher levels, maybe here or even more. Here will be like 3 times your money. Third one, it is a solar energy company. And as you can see here, one of the best setups also, where you will see this here giving you like a false indication, or not false indication, it is a clear sell setup here. But now we have, next time we will go here, normally you don't have any more sellers. And it's not my best setup, but it works. I will show you. I think it happened either in this one or current or TCL. Let's check this one here. Nope. I think this one here. Yeah, it should be similar to this one, I guess. Here, the sellers last sell here, liquidate this one here. They take their profit and then should be go up from here. I have entered in this one here. I still didn't enter in this. Because I already have a solar company in my portfolio, which should be better. It's Zini Solar. I've discussed that in previous videos. Fourth one, as I said before, this was all of these stocks were analyzed using fundamental analysis, but this one actually I wouldn't enter this one. That's the advantage of combining fundamental with technical analysis, because now you can see here that we are actually in weakness, and this here, in my opinion, can be like a bearish flag, to be honest, like this here and this here. And if it comes here, you can buy it if it is still a good company. I don't know actually what does the company does, but as I said before, it's just using my screener or fundamental analysis screener. Last one, which as I have bought this company, and I think I've shared this before, MVBF. It is actually giving me it is the best technical setup, to be honest. As I said before, I don't care. Sometimes I don't care what the company does, but you can see that this one is the best technical setup. You see that accumulation, that is fast accumulation, which means that an investor or an institution have bought it very fast. Because the other ones, we had also this accumulation and here also we are in this level, which is 61, I think, also, yeah, between 61 and next Fibonacci level. So as I said before, this accumulation is very fast, which means that investors are buying it faster than other companies like this one here, for example. It's the advantage of this one is that the accumulation is higher. It reached this level once and then went up, but it's also a very good setup, to be honest. Now I'm seeing it better. But so the winners, in my opinion, will be this one and MVBF. I'll write them here. MVBF, so you can take a screenshot. And this one here, we said that SKWD is not, BWA is good. Silver, not silver, I mean the solar one is not that good in my opinion as a setup, as a technical setup only. I don't care about fundamentals. And last one, I think was this here. Let me check it again. Actually, it's also a very good setup. You also, it's good to buy from strength to strength. This one is strong, and also as you can see here, accumulation didn't take that long, and then it's going up. So if I go back to this chart, so this will be the best to own right now in my opinion. That's it for today. Follow for more.